Today on Living Hakuna.
Yeah, this thing is like 10 pounds, more than 10 pounds.
We have a shark here. It already took half of my bait. I'm Andrea, that's Alejo, and those are our bears Ozzy and Echo. We left the corporate world in Miami to become digital nomads and chase the wind kiteboarding. Join us as we sail an adventure in our dream home, Hakuna. He caught a fish! He caught a fish! Did you catch something? Okay, yeah, this guy has been fishing all day and he hasn't... He's just like obsessed with trying to get something. So...
Keep going.
It does. Wow. What is it? Hi, babe. Where is it? Is it still far? ¿Qué, se soltó?
No.
What, you're tired? You're tired? So what happened? Oh my god, it's so big! It's so big. Atrás, Echo hacia atrás. Atrás.
It's a snapper.
It's a snapper! But a really big snapper! Echo, atrás. What?
La malla, ahora sí la malla.
Oh, holy,
La
that
malla.
thing is huge. Okay. Cógelo. It's not, it's still alive. Okay, how do you feel?
Man, you didn't believe in me.
I do not.
Se lo tiró ya en 5, ¿qué?
See? Wow, that is a giant. That has to be the biggest snapper of the world. Yeah, what a giant snapper. What'd you get it with?
A shrimp?
You did?
A fake shrimp.
A fake shrimp?
Yes.
That was a huge snapper. That is the biggest fish. It's like double the size of the first one you caught, right?
It's like 4 times this size.
4 times the size. Yeah, it's huge. It's really heavy. How many pounds do you think? How many pounds do you think that one is?
I don't know, it's like a 6 pounds.
6 pounds? 7 pounds? Baby, are you gonna fillet it or cook it?
No sé, ¿tú qué dices?
I don't know. Look how big it is. It takes up the entire sink. And our sink is not that small. It's like the size of my arm. So we had a bit of a hard time trying to kill the fish. One of the reasons why I would never eat meat before, why I was vegetarian, is because I didn't want animals suffering. So, and from what I read, the only way to really kill a fish humanely and that won't affect the taste of the fish and that won't actually cause pain to the fish is by, right after you take it out of the water, you stab them in the brain. And that's called ikijimi or ikijime, something like that. But we were having a hard time finding the freaking brain of the fish. And I think we did our best to avoid any pain on the fish or anything. I don't know. I don't understand why after you kill the fish, why it keeps moving. It feels like it's still alive, but I don't know if it's normal for a fish to move after it's dead. So I don't know. It's weird. Watch, it's not even going to fit here. That's how big it is.
Yeah, this thing is like 10 pounds, more than 10 pounds.
You think so? It's really big.
It's heavy. Oh my God.
I've never seen such a big fish. Look, it doesn't even fit here. Jesus. Oh. The thing is giant.
So this it is.
Maybe you don't even need to cut it, right?
Yeah.
Because you just have to go all the way back there. Yeah. maybe more, maybe 30, 40 minutes since Alejo catch the fish. And he finally got all the fillets, fillet. He filleted the fish. We have this. This is all the meat that he got out. Still needs to clean it and put it in the freezer, and that's what we're gonna have for lunch and dinner. And wait, someone just stole my fish. Oh no. So, and I hung the remainings of the fish by the stairs here. To see if we get some sharks. That would be cool to see some sharks here next to the boat. But nothing so far. So we have to just stay tuned to see if we get some sharks trying to take our bait. And guess what? We have a shark here surrounding our bait. Where is it? It already took half of my bait. Where are you? Sharky! Is it big? What shark is it? Oh my god, that wasn't even like 10 minutes since I put the bait and the shark came right away. So I still have the head of the fish. And the shark is surrounding it. Oh, this is some action. This is some National Geographic action. We felt something pound the boat, and yeah, it was totally Mr. Bruce. He totally took it. Where is it? Where's the shark? Where's the shark? Oh my god, baby, look at it! It's huge! Oh my god, look at it! It's trying to take it from me! Baby, it's super hard. I'm trying to fight it. Oh my god! I can't wait to see this footage. It was just a nurse shark. It was so big. Echo atrás. Oh, it's right there. Echo atrás. Oh, it's right there. So big. Hey, Sharky! Hi, baby, come! Can I pet you? Oh shit, yeah, I see it. Come here, Bruce. Come, baby, come. Hi. Echo, arriba.
Arriba. Arriba.
Good boy. Good boy. Oh, you're so good. Baby, did you see how we come and get it? Hi. Can I tell you? That was my favorite part of the fishing experience. Thank you very much. Okay, so how is the fish? Here's the fillet. We left We left the other pack for tomorrow. We were actually prepared to eat more black beans because we don't have any more food. This is what we were gonna have for lunch until boom, the fisherman caught a big giant mullet snapper. And yeah, we had already rice made for our beans. We already had potatoes. So now we're just waiting on the fish. Baby, how'd you cook the fish?
I put some garlic salt.
You put what?
Garlic salt.
Garlic salt, okay. What else?
A little bit of garlic.
Okay.
And lemon pepper.
Okay.
And that's how
It looks good. So how do you feel that you caught a fish?
Oh man, so good.
Were you nervous?
Yes, very good.
Were you really? Why?
Because I never caught a fish that big to eat.
How big was it? You think it was a good 10 pounds?
Yeah.
It was super heavy.
Super heavy.
Even after we took the meat out, it was still really heavy.
Yes.
And the meat was another, what, like another 5 pounds easily? It was
It
giant.
was a big fish.
Giant fish. We were able to feed ourselves and a little shark. Okay, so before we let you go for this video, we just wanted to really thank all of our patrons for their incredible and tremendous support. You guys are the ones that are making these videos happen, so thank you all so much. It really, really means the world to us to count on your support. If you guys all enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That's what helps us spread the video so more people can watch it. Subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell so you can be notified each time that we upload a new video. And check us out on social media on Instagram and Facebook on Living Hakuna. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye!